Dan Shipper's automation strategies can be applied to any solo business. Here's how I did it. As a solo business owner, you wear many hats. But what if you could automate repetitive tasks, freeing up time for high-leverage activities? Dan Shipper's automation strategies can help. In this video, we'll walk through a step-by-step guide on how to apply these strategies to your business, using AI tools like Zapier, Make, and N8N. The first step in automating repetitive tasks is to identify what those tasks are. Take a close look at your daily routine and make a list of tasks that you perform regularly, such as responding to emails, scheduling social media posts, or generating invoices. Once you have this list, you can start to categorize these tasks into different groups, such as marketing, customer service, or bookkeeping. For example, I used to spend hours each week manually scheduling social media posts. But after implementing Dan Shipper's automation strategies, I was able to automate this task using Hootsuite and Zapier, saving me around 5 hours per week. This allowed me to focus on more important tasks, such as creating content and engaging with my audience. Once you've identified and categorized your repetitive tasks, it's time to start automating them. One of the most powerful tools for automation is Zapier, which allows you to connect different apps and services together, creating automated workflows. For example, you can use Zapier to connect your email marketing software to your CRM, automatically adding new subscribers to your email list. Another tool that's useful for automation is Make, which provides a visual interface for creating automated workflows. I've used Make to automate tasks such as data entry and bookkeeping, saving me around 10 hours per month. By automating these tasks, I've been able to free up more time to focus on high-leverage activities, such as strategy and planning. Another important aspect of Dan Shipper's automation strategies is the use of APIs and webhooks. APIs, application programming interfaces, allow different apps and services to communicate with each other, while webhooks enable real-time notifications and updates. By using APIs and webhooks, you can create automated workflows that are even more powerful and flexible. For example, you can use the API of a tool like Grammarly to automate grammar and spell checking, or the API of a tool like Canva to automate graphic design tasks. I've used the API of a tool called Pictory to automate video creation, saving me around 20 hours per month. By automating these tasks, I've been able to focus on more important tasks, such as content creation and strategy. In addition to automating repetitive tasks, Dan Shipper strategies also emphasize the importance of monitoring and optimizing your automated workflows. This involves regularly reviewing your workflows to ensure they're working as intended and making adjustments as needed. You can use tools like N8N to monitor and optimize your workflows, providing real-time insights and analytics. For example, I use N8N to monitor my automated social media scheduling workflow, ensuring that my posts are being published correctly and on schedule. By monitoring and optimizing my workflows, I've been able to identify and fix issues before they become major problems, saving me around 5 hours per week. One of the most common challenges people face when implementing Dan Shipper's automation strategies is getting started. With so many tools and technologies available, it can be overwhelming to know where to begin. To overcome this challenge, I recommend starting small with a single task or workflow that you want to automate. Once you've automated this task, you can build on your success, gradually adding more complex workflows and tools to your arsenal. For example, I started by automating my email marketing workflow, using Zapier to connect my email marketing software to my CRM. From there, I was able to build on my success, automating more complex tasks such as data entry and bookkeeping. Another important aspect of Dan Shipper's automation strategies is the use of templates and blueprints. Templates and blueprints provide pre-built workflows and configurations that you can use as a starting point for your own automation projects. By using templates and blueprints, you can save time and effort and avoid reinventing the wheel. For example, I've used template from Zapier to automate tasks such as email marketing and social media scheduling, saving me around 10 hours per month. By using these templates, I've been able to focus on more important tasks such as strategy and planning. Finally, It's worth noting that Dan Shipper's automation strategies are not just limited to solo businesses. These strategies can be applied to businesses of all sizes, from small startups to large enterprises. By automating repetitive tasks and workflows, businesses can free up time and resources, allowing them to focus on high-leverage activities such as strategy, innovation, and growth. For example, I've worked with clients who have used automation to streamline their customer service workflows, saving them around 20 hours per week. By automating these tasks, they've been able to focus on more important tasks, such as product development and marketing. In conclusion, Dan Shipper's automation strategies offer a powerful way to streamline your business and free up time for high-leverage activities. By identifying and automating repetitive tasks, using tools like Zapier and Make, and monitoring and optimizing your workflows, you can take your business to the next level. Whether you're a solo business owner or a large enterprise, automation can help you achieve your goals and grow your business. For example, I've used automation to grow my own business, saving me around 30 hours per week and allowing me to focus on more important tasks, such as strategy and planning. Thanks for watching. If you want to learn more about automating your business, subscribe to our channel and check out our next video on using AI tools like Jasper and copy.ai to automate content creation.